Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to quickly show you my updated brow routine. We've gotten a little more spicy, and if you want to see how to fake microblading, just keep watching. So first things first, I make sure that my brow hair is completely dry. I don't have any moisturizer in it, no leftover products, and the way I do that is I grab a little translucent powder and a puff or a brush, and I will just press that into my brow. So I haven't completely finished this brow. I still need to put soap on it, but you can see even when it falls, it still looks like there's a lot of hair there. So now we're gonna grab a spoolie and we're gonna brush this through and brush all of the hairs upwards. So the next step, we are going to grab a brow pencil. I love this brow pencil. You can use any brow pencil. This is the HOURGLASS one, the micro something. Brow micro sculpting pencil. I do love this one, but honestly, any brow pencil is gonna work. Just use your favorite. What we're going to do is we're just going to start drawing underneath here. And I'm even gonna bring it out just a little bit. It's gonna look a little wild for a second. It's gonna look crazy, but it's really going to look nice. What we're doing is we're kind of mapping out where our hair should be. And what makes this look unnatural for now is just a straight line underneath. That's why we're going to come back later with the pen and correct that. You're going to see. But for right now, we're basically just going to do a light outline, top and bottom. I'm going to tilt my head back just so you can see a little better. So I'm just bringing it all the way over. This takes me just a second. So remember, we're always brushing up. That's just going to show us the true sparseness of the brow. And we're gonna go ahead and do the same thing we did on the bottom part. So we're just gonna draw a nice line up here on top. I will say to try and use the lightest shade of brow pencil possible. Even though I have very dark brow hair, I'm still using a lighter one. So now you can see it completely mapped out. And our brow hair still kind of want to hide that, but get ready for the next step. So remember, always brushing up. See, they already look really nice. I do want to let you know on the very sparse areas, like right through here, I'm going to put just a little bit of this brow pencil down. Just a little. I'm not going to put any down through here. That's not where we have any sparseness. I'm really only filling in the places that are just extremely sparse, like right through here, just a little too. I am using the lightest amount of pressure. I really wish somebody would have told me that when I would watch brow tutorials. The pressure we're using is so delicate. Always keep that in mind. Okay, let's brush everything up again. That way we can mimic how our hair is growing. And we're just going to grab our Rimmel. This right here is the magic. This is the Brow Micro Pen from Rimmel. I use the shade medium brown and dark brown. This one right here is gonna be medium brown. And we're gonna focus this one on the front part of our brows. So even where we kind of overdrew that, and if you just kind of go in too harsh, just tap it in, but it already looks like a hair. And you're kind of just mimicking what we have going on here. And I always like to go from the bottom of the line. Don't go really too far away from that. That kind of gives us a nice guideline. You can already just see that. Look at that, magical. So I'm gonna bring it up a little bit. There we go. So I'm just gonna do the medium brown till we get about right here. I'm gonna show you where we're gonna stop. Just kind of pull through any sparse areas, very small strokes. Again, remember to be very light-handed. Okay, remember we're gonna continue to brush everything up. And now we're gonna grab the shade dark brown and we're gonna go underneath here. You can see this one really looks like hairs. I'm gonna tilt my head up so you can see. So now on the top part, wherever the brows naturally fall down, we are just going to hit it with a few little pen strokes here. So here we have Soap Brows. This is the actual brand. I'm going to tag it below. And what I do is I spray a little bit of Fix Plus. You guys can use water. I just have Fix Plus. It's basically just everywhere around my house. And we're gonna grab a spoolie. Get over here, spoolie. And we're just gonna go right into here. Just kind of scrape that up. You can kind of see it there on the spoolie. Now we're just gonna push this soap through our brow, and soap acts as a brow gel. The best kind. It's gonna add volume as well. And we're just gonna push it through until, what is this glitter doing? We'll come back to him. Just push it through and brush your brows upwards. And then I'm not one that just loves to carve out my brows. I honestly like to see these hair-like strokes. But if you just want to clean up, I kind of take a concealer brush, no concealer, and just kind of tidy up, pull it through here, maybe even tap this in a little. I always want the front to look as natural as possible. Take it through here. All right, guys, this is the finished brow. I'm not even gonna finish my makeup because this is what I do before my makeup. So I've been asked and asked about that microbladed look. You guys have went nuts. You've actually been asking me, so you saw before, definitely not microbladed. They were a hot mess. It's just about really taking your time, light pressure, and just running that brow pencil through and creating those hair strokes. So I hope you enjoyed that. Let me know what you want to see next. Give this video a thumbs up, and I love you all so much. See you next time.